I'd like to make some more videos specifically about Sea of Kings because I'd love to like talk more about the characters and go in depth more about the story without giving anything away. I'd really like to do that. And then of course I will go into writing techniques and contests that you can enter and all those kind of things. I do want to jump back into all of that.
So with Sea of Kings, I mean, do you have like some ideas for these or some videos I'm definitely going to do? Is it going to be you talking about the book and how you produced the book, or are you going to do more book trailer type stuff? What do you have in mind?
Well, if I say it on here, that means I have to do it, right?
I'm hoping that's what it means. Yes, ma'am. I want to see some great content.
I would really like to hire an illustrator to create some of the characters, and then with those illustrations, or even finding some pictures of actors or something, and then I can talk more about like each individual character, and also maybe like, you know, what if Sea of Kings was a movie? Who would be cast in it? And showing those kind of things. Those are fun videos that I've seen other author tubers do before. So I think I'd really like to do that for Sea of Kings.
And would Jellyfish Press be involved somewhat with that, or would that be mostly a Melissa Hope joint, and then maybe they could come in a little bit later?
That would probably just be me doing that.
Sure. And then are there plans to expand the Sea of Kings universe? Are we going to see sequels at some point?
Okay, I really, really want to. I have a whole series planned out, and I would love to continue it. And I've spoken to my publisher already, and so we've talked about what the sequel would look like. But at this point in time, we're just waiting a little bit longer to see if it's something they can do, just because it's a smaller publisher. But yes, I would love to continue the series, and hopefully I can.